Hello guys, in this video we will create our first custom middleware that will check whether the JWT token is valid or not. And the token is of course from JSON Web Token. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go to server, and you want to right click here and you want to create a new folder, and you want to give it a name middlewares. So under middlewares you want to create a new file, and you want to give it a name checkjwt.js. So now you want to import all the important dependencies. So const JWT equals to require JSON Web Token, and then const config equals to require config. And you want to export the entire middleware, which will be function, and we'll have request, response, and next. Here you want to check let token equals to request.headers, and then authorization. This is how you check the header. If token verify token config secret function oops error decoded. If there's an error, press the JSON, then you just want a response with JSON success false message fail to authenticate token, else here you want to request decoded equals to decoded. Next. Let's clean up a bit. Here else. So I think it's better to make it as JSON. Right? Clean up a little bit. What we are doing is we export the entire function so that we can use it in another file. The first line is simply we are requesting the headers of the HTTP. We want to check whether the header contains any tokens or not. If it does, then we want to verify the token by checking the expiry date in the token. If there's an error, then we'll respond fail to authenticate token. Else, we want to set the decoded value to request.decoded. So what is request.decoded? So later on, if we want to access the user's ID, we do, for example, request.decoded.user._ID or email or name, because it's already encrypted in the token, right? So this will actually decrypt the token, and then we can access the user's object. So finally, we want to run a callback to proceed to the next task. So let's say if token does not exist, then we want to respond with a message, no token provided. Let's say in the headers, there's no token, then we want to respond with no token provided. In this video, we learn how to create a custom function that will check whether the token does exist or not on the authorization header. In the next video, we will create a profile API, and we will use our custom middleware, which is this middleware, on our profile API. I'll see you guys in the next video.